Good morning, all of you. Welcome back after Diwali. I hope you all have spent very nicely the Diwali. So let us continue with the same topic, money. So today we are going to do an interesting activity with this all household things. See students, here I have a cap, a hand wash, a toothpaste and a body lotion, and price tags are also given. Now what is the activity, or what we have to do? We have to use coins and notes both to make the given money. Now let me show you an example. Now see this cap. What's the price of the cap? The price of the cap is rupees 25. So think of this, if you are have gone to a shop and you have seen a cap and you want to buy this cap of rupees 25, what are the coins and what are the notes you will give to the shopkeeper? Now the condition is that you have to use both coins and notes. So for making 25, what I am using? I will use a 20 rupees note and a 5 rupees coin. So see, here I have used both a note and a coin, and my exact money of rupees 25 is there. So 20 rupees note 1 and a 5 rupees coin makes 25. Now along with this, how we can make 25 by using 10 rupees note? So if we have to give 25 rupees for the cap, we can use two 10 rupees note and a 5 rupees coin. It's also making 25. So either we will pay the shopkeeper a 20 rupees note and a 5 rupees coin, or we can pay two 10 rupees note, that means 10, 10, 20, and a 5 rupees coin makes 25. So by using these two types of notes and coins, we can pay 25 rupees to the Now let's move to the next object, or the next thing which we are going to pay. This is a toothpaste and its price is rupees 17. So how we can pay rupees 17? By using the notes and coins both. So the exact money we can pay like this. Otherwise, if we pay the 20 rupees coin, then you have to do the subtraction from 2017 and the shopkeeper will return you the balance one. But if you want to pay the exact money, so see, I am using here a 10 rupees note, and how much left? 7. So how we can make 7? By using a 5 rupees coin and a 2 rupees coin, or we can use two 1 rupees coin instead of using two 2 rupees coin. So instead of using 2 rupees coin, we can use here also two 1 rupees coin. So it's making us 17 rupees for the paste. Next item is our hand wash. And what's the price of the hand wash? The price of the hand wash is rupees 42. So how can we make 42? By using the different types of notes and coins. Look at this carefully. So 42, that means if we take 4 notes, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's 40 and a 2 rupees coin. So it's coming 42. 4 10 rupees note and a 2 rupees coin makes 42. Or else we can also give 20 and 20. Two 20 rupees note, that means 20, 20, 40 and a 2 rupees coin, 42. So either we will pay the shopkeeper two 20 rupees note, which makes 40, and a 2 rupees coin, that means 42, or else we can pay 4 10 rupees note and a 2 rupees coin to make 42. Now the next item we have here a body lotion, which we all need in the winter season. So you have to buy in this season, upcoming days. So let's see how you can buy this. So the price of the body lotion here is given 56. So how we can make 56? Let us see. We can make 56 in 3 different ways. First, see, we can use 5 10 rupees note. A 5 rupees coin and a 1 rupees coin. So see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's coming 50, and a 5 rupees coin, that means 55, and a 1 rupees coin 56. So this is the one way how we can make 56. Now see the next thing. The second way is that, see how I am making 56. See, 2 20 rupees note, that means 20, 20, 40, and 1 10 rupees note, that is 50, 1 5 rupees coin 55, and 1 rupees coin, that is 56. So 3 notes and 2 coins by using, see all the notes value is different. Only I am using here 2 20 rupees note and 1 10 rupees note and 56. So this is the second way how we can make 56. And now see, let us see what is the next step. This is the third or most easiest way to make 56, that is 1 50 rupees note, 1 5 rupees coin, and 1 rupees coin, which make 56. It's very easy. You can pay a 1 rupee, 1 50 rupees note, 1 5 rupees coin, and 1 rupees coin, that is 56. So students, we have gone through a very nice activity to make the given price by using different values of notes and coins. Both we have used for each items. Now you all will see the same activity is given in your book, page number 80. So that will be your homework. So you all will do page number 80 of your book, in your book only, and this activity you all will try at home by using notes and coins both. So for today, thank you very much, and practice this activity at home.